Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Warzone crash permanently. And after looking for a solution, I found that the crash happened due to a game issue, not hardware issue. And this crash happened exactly due to high CPU usage. And to fix that, we need a software that can control this amount of usage. And software that I'm gonna use now named Process Lasso. This one. And to download this software, open your favorite browser. Type Process Lasso, go to the main page, hit download, and after downloading you will see Process Lasso over there. Double click on it, and after hitting play you will see Modern Warfare appeared here in active process. I will do it quick. As you can see, Modern Warfare, check priority class for both current and always. This determine the amount of CPU usage. For both I prefer the lower is better, less consumption, but higher, more consumption. So I choose below normal for both and uncheck Windows Dynamic Server Priority. And that's all.